Okay, you can open your eyes. Alright, so Jazwares has launched their own building system with Builder. And what is this?
A Hello Kitty and Friends set.
Are you excited for this?
Yeah.
So not only do they have Hello Kitties and Friends sets, they now have Squishmallows.
What?
They've got something called the Dot Me, which I don't know. Do you know Dot Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember we played it before on the TV on Roblox?
Oh, okay. Good call on that. I didn't realize that. And then they also have things for more adults, too, from Crunchyroll that's got anime stuff that you don't know. So, we're going to go build our little Hello Kitty Friends, Hello Kitty's Dream Cafe. As I said, Jazwares has hooked us up with this. We are going to build our dream.
And also, by the way, the name of the show that Hello Kitty is in, it's called Sanrio.
It is Sanrio, yes. But this is Hello Kitty and Friends. This, they call it Hello Kitty and Friends. Let's see what
I'm
the
really excited right now.
The
I'm
latest.
so excited right now. I'm literally kind of like jumping.
All right. Well,
That's
okay,
my
cool.
two.
Now this is interesting. So we've got bags that are numbered.
Bag one.
So we got bag.
Hello Kitty is in bag one.
Hold on, chill. So we got bag 2. We got 2 that say. We got 2 that say bag 2, and then we got 3, 4, 5. We got 2, 5 over here, and then we got something called A. So let's see.
So we are gonna see which one.
Let's go with the instructions. We're always gonna follow the instructions. So bag 1, we can open up bag 1. We are done.
Daddy, can I do something real quick?
What do you want to show?
So
They can't see on the video. That's why I had it on the ground. What do you
is
want
the
to do?
whole thing. That is the front.
Mm-hmm.
The bow can kind of move.
The bow can kind of move, yes.
Yeah. It's probably not to...
I don't think it's supposed to move.
Yeah, it's probably...
Let me show off the interior.
There it is. There's like a area over here for like you eating, and like this is where Hello Kitty actually walks.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. And there it is. The whole thing. And that right there. With the characters itself. With the characters themselves. I just want to hold Cinnamoroll.
Okay.
Because
So,
I cannot help her cuteness.
What do you think of the Hello Kitty Dream Cafe?
Love it.
You love it?
Cinnamoroll is going to hide.
Cinnamoroll's gonna hide. Okay. Okay.
Cinnamoroll is shy.
All right. So do you like how you can open up and actually play with it on the inside?
Yes.
That's like a good thing that they did.
She is really shy. Look how much
Check this
she
out.
wants
You
to
can-
hide.
You get that. You get all the windows open. All right. Would you recommend this for other kids? Do you think like kids would really like it?
Yes.
Yes. All right.
Yes. Cinnamoroll is really cute. I also just noticed that her tail is a cinnamoroll.
It is a cinnamon roll. Yes.
That's probably why her name is Cinnamoroll.
Yep.
That's where they got it from, probably.
All right. Okay. So as you see, we've got the Hello Kitty and Friends, Hello Kitty's Dream Cafe. You can get your own. We'll have links underneath this video where you can purchase your own. I, of course, want to thank Jazware for hooking us up with this to show off. It's been a fun build, and I think this is a really cool start to their builder program. This is a really nice play set, and there's a lot you can do with it.
You could even make Cinnamoroll flip.
You can, yes. All right, you're going to be playing with your Hello Kitty Dream Cafe?
Yeah.
All right.
You could even make Cinnamoroll flip.
Would you want more Hello Kitty sets?
Yes, and also, if you look on the back, right here, and if you look on the back right here, there's some more sets right there.
Yeah, which one do you think looks really cool?
It has to be that one and that one.
The little house thing that's over here?
Yeah,
Oh, like it's like a supermarket type of thing?
yeah, and also like the vending machine.
The vending machine, yeah. So there's a couple other sets that you can, of course, get, and then check out the Dream Cafe. We're going to go play with it for a while. Till next time, as always, if you want the latest geeky news, check us out every day at graphicpolicy.com. We're on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Tumblr, Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. All at Graphic Policy, keeping it nice and consistent. Until next time, keep playing with your toys and keep it geeky. Hey, thanks for watching the previous video from Graphic Policy Television. Just by watching, you help support our site. Thank you so much. Now, if you're watching these videos, you probably care about geeky things like movies, television, comic books, toys, games, video games, you name it. You can go and subscribe right now to our YouTube channel to stay in touch and catch all the new videos, or check out our website at graphicpolicy.com. There's a nice link on this end of the video. But as always, thank you for watching. Keep on rocking and keep it geeky.